welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are meal prepping. I started some yesterday and I filmed it, but I didn't like talk to you guys at all. I just did like some of our basic sides. I did roasted sweet potatoes, roasted potatoes, I did butternut squash, and I did carrots. So I just was kind of already cooking, so I just did all of those things while I'm doing that. Today we are going to be like putting some meals together. We're going to be cooking our chicken, we are going to be making breakfast bowls, and we are going to be making French toast for the next few days. So it was just Austin's birthday. Today is January 2nd. His birthday was yesterday, so we still have all his balloons up and all of that. But it is back to work for me starting tomorrow. So I need to make sure I am ready to go. My meals are prepped. Kevin's meals are ready to go and prepped because we are about to get busy again. It was so nice to have all this time off, but time to get back to work. So I have not had any coffee yet. I'm still working on my water. So I already had my breakfast and I already did my workout. So now it's time to focus on the rest of my meal prep. But first, we're gonna make a coffee. So if you guys are new here, my name is Justine. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, meal prep videos, what I eat in a day and all that, just kind of like motherhood lifestyle videos. So if you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. I'm gonna be doing, I took a poll over on my Instagram, so if you aren't following me on there, this is my name right here. But I took a poll and you guys said you wanted to see like grocery hauls, what I eat in a day, all that stuff, because I'm doing like high protein. So I will be filming a ton of those. I love those videos. I love getting like different ideas and I love to film them as well. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's get some coffee and get cooking.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no
used about a tablespoon of butter and just melted that through this whole little griddle. I'm not even gonna count it because I'm making several days worth in a little tablespoon of butter to cook with on everything. It's fine. So I'm using this Italian reduced calorie bread. It is 40 calories per slice, so 80 calories for 2 slices and 5 grams of protein just in the bread itself. So I'm gonna dip those in. This is so, so good. It's like my favorite breakfast. So this will be enough for the next 3 days. So these are done. I don't know if you can tell how like thick and delicious these are going to be. So I have these just kind of cooling down on here. I didn't end up having enough for another whole breakfast, so I have one. I'm just gonna cut it in half and put it with this because I could have totally done more today, and it's only another 20 calories. So, and more protein because of the egg whites. So I have that, and then over here I have some egg whites cooking, and we're going to put the 2 breakfasts in these 2 containers. I'm gonna do the French toast here, the eggs here, and then I'll probably end up putting the strawberries there and then just worry about warming it up later. I'm not sure. So I'll let you know what to do.
You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
All right, and here is my breakfast for the next few days. So my total for this, I have to break it down. It's gonna be about 288 calories, and I have to figure out the protein, but I will let you know all of the protein information and all of that. And make sure you are following me here because I'm gonna be doing what I eat in a day, so you'll see everything broken down and how I use all this food that we're prepping. So that is everything. Looks so good. I can't wait to eat my breakfast and have it ready to go. Pop it in, move these, we'll get all nice and warm, and I'm gonna drizzle on the maple syrup once this cools down a little bit. It's still a little warm, so I want it to be able to like marinate in all the juices once it warms up. So that is my breakfast for the next few days. Now we're going to make some breakfast bowls for Kevin. All right, so now Kevin's breakfast is, I made this thing yesterday, as you saw. I'm gonna do, I don't know, about half a cup of potatoes. There's sweet potatoes and regular potatoes, and then he has 4 eggs and half a cup of egg whites in here. So I am going to portion them out for 3 days for him. The lighting is so bad in here today. That helped a ton. So I'm gonna portion them out in here, and then he will have a side of fruit with his. So He has an orange one day, and then 2 days he will have some green grapes. So I had my breakfast already for today. I have these for the next 2 days, and then I'm off on Wednesday. So I'll be able to meal prep again. I don't want to leave these like in all week. I'm sure they'd be fine, but just eggs and potatoes, not that big of a deal. So we'll use all this stuff up, and then I will do it again midweek when I make something else. I might want something different. Who knows? So that is that. I just continually stir these eggs until they're cooked, and then I let them cool down a little bit. And then I will, like I said, add half a cup of potatoes, and then I will split this in 3 and then put those in the bowls for him.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Alright, so right now I'm just cooking up some chicken. I just diced it all up. It's just plain chicken breast. I seasoned it, put a little olive oil in the pan, cooked some this big bowl of broccoli, and then in one of the lunches is going to be for me tomorrow, and then the other 2 are going to be for Kevin. So I just had a little bit of green beans left. I don't like green beans, so I put that in the bottom of his. So then I'll add broccoli, and then the chicken, and then hopefully there's enough chicken for my lunch today. And then I took out another package of chicken for dinner tonight, which I'll probably cook up the same way. So if there's not enough, I'll just take the leftovers from mine to from tonight to make my lunch. So that is that, just chicken and veggies for lunch. It smells delicious. All right, and here are our lunches for the next couple of days. There is green beans, carrots, and broccoli, and the chicken. I just mixed everything up. So yummy, so good. And super simple too. And I think my problem with this before was I would cook so much of the same thing and just get so sick of it. So I still have my carrots over here. We still have the, I don't know where this Bertucci's thing came from. I can't even remember ever going to a Bertucci's, but I love this container. So our potatoes in here, and then that's what we're gonna have for our dinner tonight with that chicken that I'm gonna cook, but just to kind of have everything ready to go. And here is everything. So the only thing left that I am going to make is I'm gonna put together a few little snack things. So I got these new containers off of Amazon, just need to wash them. They're currently in my sink, but I liked these, and the kids are gonna take them for their lunches too. It's just a little bit bigger, but just like a cheese stick, an apple, maybe some nuts, something like that. So make sure you guys are subscribed, because I'm gonna be doing lots of what I eat in a day videos, and sharing that with you guys, sharing all the macros, sharing all of, you know, the protein, the carbs, all that good stuff. So, I will have, this video will be posted probably tomorrow, which will be, what's today, Monday?
Yeah.
Monday. So tomorrow is Tuesday. And then the what I eat in a day video will probably be the next day or right after that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.